Good evening. Today we are doing the most Googled searches for IELTS, and I know there have been some crazy questions on the internet. So let's see what people want to know, and hopefully we can answer them for you. Right? So let's just dive right into it. So first question is, what is the full form of IELTS? That is surprisingly, most people who give this test, even they don't know the full form of this test. Everybody calls it IELTS or IELTS or IELTS, whichever part of the country you are from. So the full form is International English Language Testing System. That is the full form of IELTS. The second question is, what is the exam date for IELTS? That depends when you are searching for it. IELTS is actually held more than 48 times a year, so probably you can have an IELTS examination at any point or every week of the year, except Christmas. Is it possible to cheat in IELTS? अगर ये पॉसिबल होता तो आधा गुजरात और पूरा पंजाब अभी कनाडा में होता. But the answer is no, it's not possible to cheat on IELTS. What is the IELTS band score? Well, the total score is out of 9. You score out of 9 bands. It's individually 9 bands in listening, speaking, writing and reading, but overall you get a 9 band. And the minimum you need to go abroad, the minimum score required is 6 to 6.5 bands. Right. The next question is, what is the score validity duration for IELTS? I think it means that how long is the IELTS score valid for? That's a very good question. We get it a lot. It's valid for 2 years. So once you give it, the score is valid for 2 years. I mean, you don't stop learning English, but that's the way how it works. Which IELTS should I take? I'm not sure what this question means. Which IELTS should I take? Probably it means two. Either it's academic or general. Academic is for if you wish to go to study in countries outside of India, you can give the academic. Or if you want to go for immigration, like you want to go to immigrate to Canada or Australia, you need to give the general IELTS. Or it could mean, should I give the IELTS from IDP, which is one of the companies that takes the test, or you can give it from British Council, which is another body which takes the test. So all depends on you. The tests are the same, just academic and general are different. IELTS कब से कर सकते हैं? Very interesting question. जब भी आपका मन हो तब से कर सकते हैं. जब आपको बाहर जाना है तब से कर सकते हैं. बैचलर्स के लिए जाना है तो 11th-12th में कर सकते हैं. मास्टर्स के लिए जाना है तो कॉलेज से कर सकते हैं. जब भी आपका मन हो, आप डिटरमिन्ड हो, तो आप IELTS शुरू कर सकते हैं और टेस्ट दे सकते हैं. राइट. एंड लास्ट क्वेश्चन, which classes should I take to crack the IELTS? Well, simple answer है, थोड़ा ब्रांडिंग तो करना था. तो K7 International guys, for any coaching, IELTS academic or general, online or offline, right? Best tutors and guaranteed results. So click the link above and see our Facebook and Instagram pages, and make sure you subscribe to our channel for more videos on IELTS.